What's up, everybody? It's your boy G Money back at it again with another video on the G35. So if you saw the title to today's video, guys, pretty much I'm going to attempt to just customize a diffuser on the rear end of the G35. So if you have a sedan, there's not really a lot of options when it comes to diffusers. You probably get something customized, but as far as just getting it, as a whole set and a piece, there's not really that much options. So I got these little fins off of eBay. I'm gonna try to customize something because in the future video that I do, I'm gonna also put a third brake light that you kind of get like you see on the Subarus or the Hondas. A lot of coupes, G35 coupes, have been doing this little installation, so I thought I'd do one on the sedan. So pretty much that's like a whole little project that I'm gonna do. But for today's video, I'm gonna install these diffusers, the little fins, and we'll see how it turns out. Now I did do a video where I did get a diffuser before, but all I really did was just use 3M tape, and well, not even a week later that thing flew off the highway. So the ones that I got, pretty much it comes with 3M tape or double-sided tape, and it comes with screws and stuff. So we'll see how it turns out. I mean, if not, that's all right. I mean, I'm just trying to do something different to the car. But for the time being, if you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you're already a recent subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, like always, subscribe right down below the video. Hit that thumbs up, share it, and pretty much that's it. I greatly appreciate it, guys. So, been talking too much, so let's get this video started. Alright, so pretty much these are the little fins that I was talking about. You get 4 of them, you get some screws, and then you get some double-sided tape. So the reason why I got these and I thought I'd try these out is because, like I said, I'm gonna customize a third brake light, and instead of getting the diffuser that comes as like a whole piece, I wanted to evenly space these out just enough for this third brake light to fit in between. So I don't know, I'm gonna just try something different, because like I said, I've seen them on the G35 coupes, but haven't really seen them on the sedan. We'll see how it turns out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So looks like all I need is a drill to self tap these to the bumper, and that's pretty much it. So let's open all this up and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I kind of did a little mock-up of how I'm hoping it's going to turn out, but I just got to make sure that I keep this center of the license plate, so that way it's in line with the third brake light. But for the most part, it's going to look something like that. It's kind of hard to evenly space everything out. I think I should have had maybe another one, but it only comes with 4. But that looks like it'll work, because right here, as you notice, it kind of stops. So I just kind of measured everything, tried to keep it evenly spaced, because as you can see, I only have a exhaust on the left side. So pretty much right here is where this little flap starts. So I gotta start it right there. But I mean, I think after I'm done with everything, it's gonna look pretty good. So, but like I said, that's for another video. But got my self tappers, got my drill, so let's do this. Alright, so I probably won't utilize these other 2 holes. If I have an issue, I'll probably make two more holes a little closer so it grabs, because I'm trying to keep it in line right here with the edge of the bumper, and for some reason those 2 back holes don't catch this piece. So I'm gonna see what it looks like if I can just do these 2, and if it's too loose, well then I'll make some more holes. But I'm gonna start it right here because I want to I don't want to be blocking this, so I'll probably do it right there, and then we'll just go to the next one. Alright, so I mean, it looks pretty secure. Like I said, if I need to, I'll drill 2 other holes, but for the most part it looks pretty secure. So for this one, as you can see, there's like a little tab right here. So what I'm gonna try to do is use this back hole to catch that little tab, and I'll still be able to, you know, use the front holes, and it'll still be in line with the edge of the bumper. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then we'll go to the next one. Alright, if you notice, I was able to use that little tab to catch that third screw, so this ain't going nowhere. I mean, even for these two screws, it's secure. So, I mean, it's coming out pretty good. Now I'm gonna start on this side. The reason for that being is, so when I finish putting this one on, I can see where I can kind of put this, so that way when I put the third brake light, it's still, you know, center of the brake light. So let me do this one, and then we'll do the last one, and then that should be it. Alright, so I got this one on. Now here comes the fun part. So pretty much, like I said, I want this to be center right there. So if I put this and it evenly spaced out right there, that'll look good. I mean, if you want in the future, you know, use like a pencil to mark the holes, you can do that too. I'm just freestyling this. Get the other one. I mean, it's really easy because I'm staying in line with, you know, this bottom part of the bumper, but you could do it however. There we go, and then this will just be like that. So maybe I should just mock this up and see what it looks like, so that way you can get a visual. But for the most part, that's what they're gonna come. That's what they're gonna look like. I don't know if you can tell. Doesn't look that bad. Of course, let me know in the comments down below if it looks cheesy. But yeah, let me see if I can mock this up a little bit, and then we can see what it looks like. All right, here we go, guys. Don't roast me. But yeah. Right now, I just have this hanging off those little supports. It'll be a little more flushed once I get that mounted, but like I said, that's for another video. But as far as the diffusers, I mean, they came out pretty good. That's pretty much what it looks like. And yeah, I didn't really have to use all the screws. I mean, as you can see, everything's secure. But if you want to use all the screws, you want to customize holes, you want to use this double-sided tape, go ahead and do all that. But for the most part, you know, everything's secure. So this was the only one where I used 3. But yeah, for how much did I get those for? I think I got them for like 20 bucks. But yeah, it looks pretty good. So let's wrap it up, and then we'll conclude this video. Alright everybody, so pretty much like always, that concludes the video. If you enjoyed the content, like always, hit that thumbs up, helps the channel grow. You know, it's free of charge. Like my boy Forever G35 says, there's no fee, you know, for subscribing to the channel and getting this awesome content. So, you know, all you gotta do is just hit that thumbs up. But and all jokes aside, thank y'all for all the new subscribers out there, and for all the OGs, thank y'all for sticking around, guys. You know, this was just a little short video to I guess my little project that I got going on. So you know, like I said, the second part, I'm gonna install the third brake light, see how that comes out, and hopefully everything looks pretty good. But you know, the sedans don't really have that much of a nice looking rear end like the coupes, so I thought I'd just, you know, change it up a little bit, do something different. So if you want to check out that video, stay tuned, hit that notification bell. Just real quick, I just wanted to give a shout out to Wrenchit. He has a YouTube channel, he's my boy, and of course Forever G35. I'll leave both of their YouTube channels in the description. But it's just crazy, we were talking about it the other day, that, you know, one of them lives on the East Coast, one of them lives on the West Coast, and of course I live, you know, right in the middle, down south, over here in Texas. And it's just crazy how, you know, by us just having G35s, you know, we came together, and, you know, now we're good buddies. But yeah, I just thought I'd give them a shout out. And, you know, as you can see, I'm wearing one of his shirts. We got you know, some designs coming up. I already got one of my shirts designed and printed, but I kind of designed another one. So once that gets out, you know, I'll show them out on the channel, and, you know, you'll let me know, you know, pretty much how it comes out. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I know I'm talking too much. Y'all probably, you know, stopped the video already. Y'all just wanted to see what the product looked like. But for anybody who stay tuned to the end, thank y'all, like always. But that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Like always, y'all have a great day. Stay safe out there. Peace.